Hello student, in last lecture we find inverse of matrix by adjoint method. Now we continue it with 3 by 3 matrix. The procedure is same. First find determinant. So determinant of A is equal to first 1 taking 1 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 into 0 0 minus 0. So when we consider 0, deleting this column and this rows, you get 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 5 into 0 0 plus 0 into 3 into 2 6 minus 5 into 3 15. So answer is 1 into minus 3, 0 into this, so 0, and 0 into this is also 0. So our final answer is minus 3. Therefore determinant of A is not equal to 0 and hence A inverse is exist. Now find minors. The minors are M11 is equal to, so deleting first row and first column, you get 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 into 0 0. So answer is minus 3. Next M12. M12 means first row and second column, you get 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 5 into 0 0. So your answer is minus 3. Next M13. M13 is equal to first row and third column, 3 into 2 6 minus 5 into 3 15. So answer is minus 9. Next M21 is equal to second row and first column. So remaining minus 1 into 0 0 and 2 into 0 0. So answer is 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Next M22, second row and second column, you get 1 into minus 1 minus 1 and 5 into 0 0. So minus 1 minus 0 is equal to minus 1. Next M23, deleting second row and third column, you get 2 into 1 2, 5 into 0 0. Next M31, third row, deleting third row and first column, you get 0 into 0 minus 3 into 0 0. So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Next M32, after deleting third row and second column, you get 1 into 0 0 and minus 3 into 0 0. So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Next M33, deleting third row and third column, you get 3 into 1 3 minus 3 into 0 0. So answer is 3. These are our minors. Now we have to find cofactors. To find cofactors, we know that Aij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. So put that value A11 is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11. So minus 1 raised to 2 into M11 is minus 3. Minus 1 raised to 2 is plus 1 into minus 3, minus 3. Next, A12 is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into M12, minus 1 raised to 3, M12 is minus 3, so minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3, so A12 is equal to minus 3. Next, A13, minus 1 raised to 4, M13 is minus 9, minus 1 raised to 4 is plus 1 into minus 9, minus 9. So A13 is minus. Next, A21, M21 is 0. So minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1 into 0, 0. Next, A22, M22 is minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 4 is plus 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Next, A23, minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 into M23. So minus 1 raised to 5 into M23 is 2. Minus 1 raised to 5 is minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Next, A31, minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1 into M31 is equal to minus 1 raised to 4. M31 is 0, so answer is 0. Next, A32, minus 1 raised to 3 plus 2 into M32, minus 1 raised to 5 into 0, so answer is 0. And last, A33, minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3 into M33, M33 is 3, so minus 1 raised to 6 into 3 is 3. Now we have to find cofactor matrix. So cofactor matrix, here A11 is minus 3, A12 is 3, A13 minus 9, A21 0, A22 minus 1, A23 minus 2, A31 0, A32 0, A33 3. Next, find adjoint of matrix. So adjoint of A is equal to interchanging rows and columns, you get adjoint of matrix. So here minus 3, 3 minus 9 is row, it will become column. So you get minus 3, 3 minus 9. Next, 0 minus 1 minus 2, 0 0 3. Now last, find A inverse. To find A inverse, we know that the formula. A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So 1 upon determinant of A is equal to minus 3 and adjoint of A is this. So right here. So this is your final answer. Next example. Here also we have to find inverse of matrix by adjoint method. Procedure is same. First find determinant. One, 2 into 5, 10, minus 0, minus 2, 5 into 0, 0, minus 0, plus 3, 0 into 0, 0, minus 2 into 0, 0. So answer is 1 into 10, minus 0, plus 0. Therefore determinant of A is not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse is exist. Now find minors. Same procedure, M11. Deleting first row and first column, you get element 5, 2 into 5, 10, minus 0 into 4, 4. So 10 minus 4 is equal to, 2 into 5, 10, 0 into 4, 0. So 10 minus 0 is equal to 10. Next, M12. Deleting first row and second column, you get 5 into 0, 0, 4 into 0, 0. So answer is 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Next, M13. After deleting first row and third column, you get 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 2, 0. So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Next, M21. Second row and first column, 5 into 2, 10, minus 3 into 0, 0. So 10 minus 0 is equal to 10. Next, M22. After deleting second row and second column, you get 5 into 1, 5, and minus 3 into 0, 0. So 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Next, M23. Deleting second row and third column, you get 0 into 1, 0, and 2 into 0, 0. So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Next, M31 is equal to, deleting third row and first column, you get 4 into 2, 8, minus 3 into 2, 6. So answer is 2. Next, M32 is equal to, deleting third row and second column, you get 4 into 1, 4, minus 3 into 0, 0. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Next, M33. After deleting third row and third column, you get element 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Next, find cofactors. To find cofactors, we know that. Now here is some trick. First, write formula. A11 is equal to, now add A1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is even, that's why 1. So 1 into M11, M11 is 10, and here its answer is 10. So you can find directly A11 instead of procedure. Next, A12. A12 is equal to 1 plus 2, 3. 3 is odd, so minus 1. Minus 1 into M12. M12 is 0, so answer is 0. Next A1 3, 1 plus 3 4, 4 is 1 even, that's why 1. 1 into M1 3, M1 3 is 0, so answer is 0. Next A2 1, 2 plus 1 4 3, 3 is odd, that's why minus 1, into M2 1 is 10, that's why minus 1 into 10 minus 10. Next A2 2, next 1 into M2 2 is 5, so answer is 5. A2 3 minus 1 into A2 3 is 0, so answer is 0. A3 1, 1 into 2 is equal to 2. A3 2 minus 1 into 4 is equal to minus 4, and A3 3, 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Next, cofactor of matrix. Cofactor matrix is equal to write 10 0 0 adjoint matrix, interchanging rows and columns you get and last A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Determinant of A is 10 and adjoint of A this. So here it is your answer. A inverse is equal to this. Next, method of inversion. In previous discussion, you have learned the concept of inverse of matrix. Now we discuss the application of matrices for solving a system of linear equation. This is linear equation. So how can you solve it? First, find matrix equation. So matrix equation 1 2 2 3. Here x y and remaining 2 3. That is Ax is equal to b. Give it first, where A is equal to 1 2 2 3, x is equal to x y, and b is equal to 2 3. Now pre-multiplying the above equation by A inverse, we get so A inverse Ax is equal to A inverse into B, A inverse into A, x is equal to A inverse B, A inverse into A is I is identity matrix. Identity matrix into X is equal to X. So X is equal to A inverse B. So for finding X and Y, you have to first find A inverse. And you know that how to find A inverse. The procedure is find minors, cofactors, cofactor matrix, then adjoint matrix, and find A inverse. So first A is equal to, here A is equal to 1, 2, 2, 3. Determinant of A 1, 2, 2, 3. So 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. Determinant of A is not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse is exist. Now find minors. The minors are M11 is equal to, deleting first row and first column, you get element 3. Next M12, deleting first row and second column, you get element 2. Next M21, deleting second row first column, you get element 2. And last M22, deleting second row and second column, you get element 1. So these are minors. Now find cofactors. The cofactors are A11 is equal to 1 plus 1, 2. 2 is even, that's why 1. 1 into M11. M11 is 3. So it is 3. Next A12. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 means odd number. So minus 1. Minus 1 into M12. M12 is 2. So it is minus 2. Next A21. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is odd number, that's why minus 1. Minus 1 into M21. M21 is 2. So answer is minus 2. And last A22. 2 plus 2, 4, which is even number, that's why 1. 1 into M22 is 1, that's why answer is 1. Now cofactor matrix. Minus 2, minus 2, 1. Interchanging rows and columns, you get adjoint of A. So after interchanging rows and column, it's same as cofactor matrix. Now find A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. The value of determinant of A is minus 1. So minus 1 into 3, minus 2, 1. So multiply this minus 1, you get minus 3, 2, 2, minus 1. So it is your A inverse. Now you have to find X. So X is equal to A inverse into B. Put the values. A inverse is minus 3, 2, 2, minus 1, and value of B is 2, 3. Multiplying this, you get, how to multiply? Minus 3 into 2, minus 6, plus 2 into 3, plus 6. 2 into 2, 4, minus 1 into 3, minus 3. So answer is 0, 1. And here X is XY. By equality of matrix, we get x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. So it is your answer. There is another example. Solve the following equation by inversion method. Same. First find matrix equation. The matrix equation is so 1 minus 1 1 2 1 minus 3 1 1 1. It is the coefficient of xyz. See here, 1 minus 1 1 coefficient of xyz. Next 2 1 minus 3 1 1 1 and xyz and the values 4 0 2. That is ax is equal to b. Give it first, where a is equal to this determinant, x is equal to values x y z, and b is equal to this 4 0 2. Pre-multiplying equation 1, equation first by A inverse we get so A inverse, pre-multiplying this equation, A inverse AX is equal to A inverse B. So A inverse into A, X is equal to A inverse B. It is I, means identity matrix. Identity matrix into X is X. Now here we have to find A inverse. So A inverse by adjoint method. Here A is equal to 1 minus 1 1 2 1 minus 3 1 1 1. Determinant of A is equal to 1 minus 1 1 2 1 minus 3 1 1 1. Now find 1 into 1 1 minus 3, so minus 3. Next plus 1, because it is minus 1 and that minus get plus, so plus 1. And next 2 into 1 2 minus 1 into minus 3 plus 1, so 1 2 into 1 2 1 into 1 1. So answer is 1 1 plus 3 plus 1 2 plus 3 plus 1 and 1. So 3 plus 1 4 4 into 1 4 plus 2 plus 3 5 5 into 1 5 plus 1. So answer is 10. Therefore determinant of A is not equal to 0. That's why A inverse is exist. Now find minors. The minors are M11 is equal to means first row, deleting first row and first column. So first row and first column you get 1 into 1 1 and this 1 into minus 3 means plus 3. So 1 minus minus 3 is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Next, M12, deleting first row and second column, you get 2 into 1, 2, and 1 into minus 3, minus 3. So 2 minus minus 3 is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Next, M13, deleting first row and third column, you get 2 into 1, 2, and 1 into 1, 1. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Next, M21, deleting second row and first column, you get minus 1 into 1, minus 1, and this 1 into 1. So minus 1 is equal to minus 2. Next, M22, deleting second row and second column, you get 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Next, M23, deleting second row and third column, you get 1 into 1, 1, and this minus 1. So 1 minus minus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Next, M31, deleting third row and first column, you get minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3, and 1 into 1 plus 1. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Next, M32, deleting third row and first column, you get minus 1 into 3, minus 3, and third row and second column, minus 3, and this plus 2. So minus 3 minus 2 is equal to minus 5. And last, M33, deleting third row and third column, you get 1 into 1, 1, and 2 into minus 1, minus 2. So 1 minus minus 2 is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So these are the minors: 4, 5, 1, minus 2, 0, 2, 2, minus 5, 3. Now next cofactors are, the cofactors are A11 is equal to, so 1 plus 1, 2, 2 is even, that's why 1, 1 into M11, M11 is 4, so 4 is equal to 4. A12, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 is even odd, so odd, minus 1 into 1 to 5, so that's why minus 5. Next, A13, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 is even, that's why 1, 1 into 1, 3 is 1. A21, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 is odd, and value of 2, 1 is minus 2, minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2. Next, A22, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 means even, that's why 1, and value of 2, 2 is 0, that's why 0. Next, A23, minus 1 into 2, so minus 2. A31, 3 plus 1, 4, so even, and value of 3, 1 is 2, so answer is 2. A32, minus 1 into minus 5 is equal to 5, and last, A33 is equal to 1 into 3 is equal to 3. You can observe it is alternate sign, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1. Okay, so next, cofactor matrix. put values 4 minus 5 1 2 0 minus 2 2 5 3. Now next, adjoint of matrix. Interchanging rows and columns, you get adjoint of matrix. So this is adjoint of matrix. Now you have to find A inverse. So A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. This is your formula. So A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A is 10 and adjoint of A this 4 2 2 minus 5 0 5 1 minus 2 3. So find x, put the values of A inverse. X is equal to A inverse into B. Values of A inverse is, this is 1 upon 10 and 4 2 2 minus 5 0 5 1 minus 2 3, and value of B is 4 0 2. So keep 1 by 10 as it is and multiplying this, 4 into 4 16 plus 2 into 0 0 plus 2 into 2 4. Next, minus 5 into 4 minus 20 plus 0 into 0 0, and last 5 into 2 10. Next, 1 into 4 plus 4 minus 2 into 0 0, and 3 into 2 6. So answer is 1 by 10 20 minus 10 10. Dividing 10, you get 2 minus 1 1, and here x is equal to x y z. So by equality of matrix we get x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1, and z is equal to 1. So this is your answer. And now there are some practice problems. Find the inverse of following matrices by adjoint method. First example, A is equal to 0 1 2 1 2 3 3 1 1. Second example, A is equal to 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 0 1 3. Next, A is equal to 1 2 3 1 1 5 2 4 7. Fourth, A is equal to 1 0 1 0 2 3 1 2 1. Next example, solve the following equation by inversion method. First example, x plus y is equal to 4 and 2x minus y is equal to 5. Second, 2x plus 3y is equal to 9 and minus x plus y is equal to minus 2. Third, 5x minus y plus 4z is equal to 5, 2x plus 3y plus 5z is equal to 2, and 5x minus 2y plus 6z is equal to minus 1. And last, x plus y plus z is equal to minus 1, y plus z is equal to 2, x plus y minus z is equal to 3. Here x is missing. So when you take coefficient of x, then take 0. Instead of x, take it 0, because here x is missing. So you can take their 0 when you can solve matrix equation. Thank you student. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.